Hello everyone, my name is Samir Singh. I'm a technical marketing engineer in Cisco. In this demo, we'll see how we can migrate one context of Cisco ASA to an FTD container instance using the Firewall Migration Tool. First, we will log into the chassis and begin with creating a container instance. Select the FTD version template and the instance type as container. Select the data interfaces that will be required on the target device and configure the management settings. Resource profile is used to specify the resource usage per container. Create the instance, and once it's online, we can register the instance to the FMC where the device configuration will be migrated. It is registered as a container on FMC. Log into the Firewall Migration Tool and select the source firewall vendor as Cisco ASA. The ShowTech output from the ASA is uploaded onto the tool. It displays the contexts that are available on the device. Upon selecting the context that we want to migrate, the tool parses the data and lists the different objects and policies that are available. Provide the target FMC, which could be an on-prem or virtual FMC or a cloud-delivered FMC. Provide the credentials to connect to the FMC. The tool will display the FTD instances that are available on FMC. Select the container instance and proceed with the migration. The tool lists all the features that are available, and we can select the required features and start the parsing process. Once complete, we get a pre-migration report and a summary of the configuration that will be migrated. The report lists the configuration that will be migrated. If there are any unsupported or partially migrated configuration, that will be present in the report for review as well. The user needs to map the interfaces in ASA with the interfaces on the target instance, and also map security zones and interface groups to the interfaces. The tool has the ability to auto-create these security zones and interface groups for the user. Following this, the tool displays all the different policies and objects that will be migrated to the management center for review and validation. Once the validation is completed successfully, we can go ahead and push the configuration to FMC. Once that process completes, the tool displays the summary of the different objects and policies that are migrated, and also provides a detailed post-migration report. The post-migration report contains details of the configuration that are migrated by the tool. It provides the list of features that have been migrated. It lists unsupported configurations that are partially migrated. It provides how object conflict has been handled, and whatever changes have been made by the tool in the configuration will be listed. Under the optimization section, it will list the different network and port objects that are not migrated since they are not referenced in any of the policies. Click on Migrate Another Context to begin migrating any other context that may be available on the ASA device. Following that, the process remains the same. We can verify the migrated configuration by logging into the FMC and reviewing the different access rules and objects that are created by the tool and ensure that they are the same as on Cisco ASA. Once reviewed, we can go ahead and deploy the configuration onto the device, and that will finish our process of migrating one context in a multi-context environment in Cisco ASA onto a FTD container instance.